This is Akanksha and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm traveling back home. So right now I'm in Bangalore. I don't know कितने बार मैंने channel पे already बता दिया, and I'm traveling back to Raipur. So I thought I'll simply vlog everything, like whatever is happening, what is the condition of the airport, and to be honest it looks pretty normal. Nothing crazy is happening. Everyone is chilled. Again, if it's focusing or not, I don't know. Yeah, it is. Now it's fine. Yeah, so I don't know. I'll go inside and I'll see. So right now I'm having something. So I ordered a cup of chai. I'm not sure again कि मुझे पीना चाहिए या नहीं पीना चाहिए, but I ordered a cup of tea, a poha with mixture and a cheese Maggi. Yes, I'm gonna eat a lot because I'm very hungry. My flight is delayed, guys. So I was supposed to take off, I think so, around 1:20, but yeah, now the flight is at 5:40, so it's very delayed. So I'll go inside and I'll tell you guys what all is happening. I'll simply vlog everything, so you will also get the idea that how it's gonna be inside, and if you are planning to travel, so this video might help. So yeah, I'll eat and I'll catch you guys once I'll go inside, or maybe if I'll shop. Bye. One information, guys, so I'm not sure if it's for all the flights or not, but if you're traveling via Indigo, you have to do web check-in between 48 hours and 60 minutes before the flight. Like, you have to do it in that interval. You have to do it, or else they are not allowing you to go inside. And you have to have boarding pass ka printout and baggage tag ka printout. And even if you don't have, then they have this service inside, I mean the campus, not inside the airport, but outside the place where they have food courts and all. So there is this small device, you can go there and you can get yourself a boarding pass using your PNR. And baggage tag you will get inside while you are checking in your luggage. So yeah, that's the information I have for now. So there is this machine. So you go, you stand there, it'll check your temperature and everything, I think so. Yeah, easy breezy. So from here you can download your baggage tag. So they have kiosks like this. From here you can download, you can get your baggage tag, like you got your boarding pass. That's how you have to tap it. So this is my luggage tag. I just now bought it. I'll show you what all I bought, but yeah, that's how you have to put your baggage tag. Like, just you have to stick it out, and you know this will come out, and you have to just paste it. As simple as that. Yeah, and now I'll go and I dump my bag basically. एक बारी में 2 ही लोग जो ट्रेज में सामान रख के चेक इन करवा रहे हैं. सो या गाइस, मेरा सिक्योरिटी चेक इन हो गया है और मैंने ये इसलिए हटाया हुआ है क्योंकि आई जस्ट गिव अप और मैं ज़्यादा देर इसे नहीं पहन सकती. बट टॉकिंग अबाउट द एयरपोर्ट गाइस, ज़्यादा रश नहीं है यहाँ पे बिकॉज ऑब्वियसली लोग अभी कम ही ट्रैवल करना प्रेफर कर रहे हैं एंड दे आर पेइंग लाइक फुल सिक्योरिटी. मतलब ऐसा नहीं कि कहीं पे भी लीनियंसी हो रही है. एवरीथिंग इज़ गोइंग गुड. हाँ, बट मैं ये बोलूँगी कि थोड़ा एक्स्ट्रा टाइम लेकर के आओ. आई मीन यू नीड अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ बफर टाइम बिफोर कमिंग बिकॉज हर कुछ स्लो है, एकदम भसड़ नहीं है. ठीक है, अगर तुम्हें 6 फीट का डिस्टेंस मेंटेन करना है, दे वांट यू टू मेंटेन 6 फीट ऑफ डिस्टेंस. एक बारी में 2 ही लोग जो ट्रेज में सामान रख के चेक इन करवा रहे हैं, तो एवरीथिंग इज़ टेकिंग टाइम. इट्स बिट स्लो. सो हाफ एन आवर 45 मिनट्स का थोड़ा एक्स्ट्रा बफर लेके आना. बाकी रेस्ट एवरीथिंग इज गोइंग गुड. आई एम प्लानिंग टू गो एंड रोम अराउंड अ लिटिल बिट जस्ट टू सी इफ आई कैन शॉप समथिंग बिकॉज ऑब्वियसली व्हाई नॉट. Guys, so these people, they give us I think so it's the face shield and face mask. This is what I was showing to you guys. I think so there is one face shield. There is one face mask and some sanitizer, Savlon. Okay, 50p is what? 50 paisa. Last 10-15 minutes I'm trying to figure out how to wear this face mask, face shield, and then I realized you have to take off this blue thing. Wait, I'll show you. I think so. You have to take off like this. Whoa. And from behind, again, you have to take off like this. So guys, sanitize your hands before doing it, okay? Because you never know. Okay. My bag got stuck inside. Are you serious? Another thing I wanted to tell you guys that middle seat is empty, okay? I'm not sure how they are managing it, but yeah, just letting you know. They gave me this really weird mark, guys. It feels like मैं वोट दे के आई हूँ. Hey guys, so last night I came back home and I was very tired, so I just crashed. So today I wrote down everything because obviously मैं shoot नहीं कर पा रही थी. एयरपोर्ट में shoot करना allowed नहीं है. So मुझे गाली नहीं खाना था. मैं 2 बार डांट खा चुकी हूँ. There was this security officer who started running behind me and he's like कि मैडम मैं मना कर रहा हूँ, मत शूट करो. And I'm like, this is for my vlog, let me do it, it'll be helpful for people. And he's like, ma'am, I understand, but you can't do that, blah blah blah. It's okay. So I've written down everything. Okay, so by the way, this is the diary and the pen I bought. Never Stop Dreaming. I don't remember the store name. It's not inside the airport. Yeah, it's like a normal notebook you have. So flight में बैठते वक्त मैं सब बैठ के note down करी थी what all I want to mention in the video. So yeah, so here it is. First point is, guys, before booking the flight, please go and check for your state specific rules. Like I was coming to Chhattisgarh, so यहाँ पे कोई ऐसा rule नहीं था. But Sonika was traveling back to Uttarakhand. Uttarakhand is a tourist place, so वहाँ पे they needed your e-pass and they needed your health कि कोरोना टेस्ट करवाया नहीं करवाया. अगर तुमने नहीं करवाया सो वो वहीं पे कर रहे थे. सो या प्लीज मेक श्योर एंड चेक वंस बिफोर बुकिंग द फ्लाइट, ताकि फ्लाइट बुक करने से पहले, टिकट आने से पहले यू विल हैव ऑल द डॉक्यूमेंट्स दैट इज नीडेड फॉर योर stay. Point number 2 is, guys, very important. You need to do web check-in before boarding the flight. So web check-in का window 48 hours पहले से 1 घंटे पहले तक open होगा. You have to do web check-in. It is important. Point number 3 is, guys, boarding pass and baggage tag is important. So boarding pass का अगर पहले से print out लेकर के चल रहे हो, well and good. If not, then you have to get it printed from there. So मैंने अभी vlog में बताया है कि there is this kiosk machine outside the airport premises. From there you can give your PNR and you can get your boarding pass. और baggage tag premises में अंदर there are a lot of orange colored kiosks machine. From there you can get your baggage tag printed and simply उसको peel करो and you can paste it in your luggage like the way they do it. And the point number 4 is, guys, only 2 to 3 people are allowed to do security check-in. जब हम जहाँ पे हम ट्रे में सामान रखते हैं, it goes for the security check-in. Only 2 to 3 people are allowed and there you have to have 2 to 3 feet of डिस्टेंस. वहाँ पे फ्लोर पे स्टिकर्स लगे हुए हैं, उसी के ऊपर खड़े होना है एंड yeah, like social distancing, guys. That's all. What else to explain in that? So I traveled in Indigo, so I'm not sure if it's just the rule for Indigo, but DGCA के अंडर ही सारे airlines के rules and regulation fall करने चाहिए. So I'm expecting कि सारी airlines face mask और face shield provide कर रहे हैं. They gave me one package, उसके अंदर face shield था, face mask था और Savlon के कुछ sachets थे hand sanitizer के. So yeah, that is one good thing. And middle seat will not be allotted to anyone, and if suppose it is allotted to someone, they are giving full PPE kit to that person. And the second last point is, guys, when you land, so I landed in Chhattisgarh Raipur airport. So first they'll check your temperature, and the second they will give you ink marks. For me it wasn't stamped, it was an ink mark on my finger. And the last point what I want to mention is, once you will do everything, अपना bag वापस तुमने collect कर लिया and you're done with all the information, they will ask you all your details from where you are flying, what you do, where are you going, if you're alone or with your someone. All these information they'll take from you. And yeah, once you will exit the airport, they will ask you to dump everything. So if you're wearing a face shield, they want you to dump that in a separate bin. If you're wearing a PPE kit, so they'll ask you to dump it in a separate bin. So this is the kind of the rule, I think. So it's everywhere, I believe, because this is what I heard, that everybody wants you to dump everything if you have traveled. And face mask, obviously you have to keep it with yourself. So yeah, that's all guys, that's about it. And I hope this video was helpful. And yeah, if you like this video, make sure to give it a big fat thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. And soon I'll be posting a lot of different videos because I'm in my hometown and I can do really different stuff here. I'm planning to renovate my room. I'm planning to do a lot of different things. So yeah, stay tuned guys, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye. Cheers.